How to make a vision board even if you don't have a 5-year plan. How to create a vision board. 1. Set your intentions. You don't have to have a 5-year plan. I know your grand purpose in life. But of course it is great if you do. What you do need to know is your intentions. Intentional living simply means to live the life that you truly want. A life by design of your choosing, rather than living a life that just happens to you. Thinking about your life like this is a non-overwhelming way to weed out what you really want. It doesn't matter that you don't have a concrete plan to get there yet, but the point is simply to nut out what you truly want. Instead of just drifting along in life, letting life happen to you, you've taken the first step in living an intentional life. Exciting, right? 2. Gather your vision board supply. And online vision boards can work really well. But I like to create a visual and tangible vision board. There is just something about it, but find what works best for you. To create a physical vision board, you will need the following supplies. Some kind of board. You could choose a simple cork board, a space on your wall, or some thick poster board. Have a think about how portable you want your 3. Create your vision board. Find pictures and words that represent the feelings, the experiences and the material possessions that you want in your life, all based on your above intentions. Don't feel that you need to use all the space. Some gaps are great to be able to add in things as you go. Some things to keep in mind. Mediavine. What you should include. Pictures and words that resonate. How to make your vision board actually work. As mentioned above, it is not just creating a vision board that makes it effective. Sure, you've set your intentions for what you want, but you still need to take action towards them. Vision boards are a great visualization technique for all of the following reasons. They narrow your focus to what you truly want, your intentions. When used regularly, they serve as a constant reminder to keep you on task, which then allows you to consciously and subconsciously see, touch and ponder your vision board as much as possible. Spend time looking at it, thinking about the thoughts, feelings and things that you want in your life. A great way to do this is to review it each morning and then each evening before bed. Express gratitude for what you already have, the changes that are happening and how you're moving towards these things on your vision board. Write a list of tasks, actions or habits that will move you towards the feelings, experiences and things on your vision board. Take action on these,